Desert Harvesters welcomes you to Tucson, Arizona, located in the Sonoran Desert in the southwest United States. This region reflects a unique and very special environment, boasting more plant species than any desert in the world, including the iconic saguaro cactus. In the Sonoran Desert, the bean tree canopy shades and shelters a wide variety of understory plants. Depending on the season and rainfall, understory species provide buds, flowers, berries, seeds, fruits, and herbs. Understory plants are smaller than bean trees and include various bushes, cactus, greens, herbs, and other ground covers. Understory plants benefit from overstory shade and the enriched environment underneath bean trees, which shelter against extreme cold and heat. Understory plants can provide multiple harvests, primarily triggered by rains and other favorable conditions. Increased harvests bring more animals with their soil-enhancing droppings, and when animals move around, they relocate seeds to other areas, increasing biodiversity throughout their range. The Sonoran Desert boasts a handful of understory plant species that produce berries, including hackberry and wolfberry. In the following salsa recipe, we feature ingredients from the understory, including wolfberry, native chilies, and desert herbs. Today we're celebrating the understory. We're making very good salsa that you could make with wolfberries or hackberries. The recipe calls for grapefruit and chile and wolfberries or hackberries, any kind of herbs or greens that you like, salt and pepper, and hot chilies. So we have the wolfberries that were just picked. We have wolfberries that were actually frozen in lemon juice, which is a great way to save them. We have ginger, and I'm just gonna start chopping them up. I've already processed the grapefruit, a little bit of ginger, hot chili powder from the garden, chiltepines, and you can make it as hot as you like. Some salt, a little bit of pepper, the wolfberries. These were frozen, so they're still a little frosty. And while those thaw, we'll chop the greens that are going to go in. So this is cilantro, mint, basil, and a couple of wild greens that are going to go in, and i'itoi onions. And this recipe is very forgiving. You can add as much or as little of all the ingredients that as you have and as you like to your taste. And that will just marinate. It could go in the fridge for a couple of hours and marinate, and the flavors will blend. It's gonna be good. It's sweet, it's sour, it's salty, it's spicy. It's just delicious. The Eat Mesquite and More cookbook provides dozens of recipes that feature and include understory plants. Visit our website for further information and inspiration. We invite you to rewild your taste buds and neighborhoods with these amazing Sonoran Desert food forest plants.
1, 2, 3. She has her light turned on Everything's colored in a hue of blue, pink and purple round her head. I want to touch her face. Sky so wide and clear.